This is a Cicada. Look how cool he is. Look at that face. They're not one of the smartest bugs. Definitely very cool looking. Look how big this little guy is. Look at that little face. This is Kenosha, Wisconsin. Pam Zamora experienced this cool little guy just hanging around my stairs. And now he just wants to keep on walking. It's very windy today. The wings are awesome looking. They make all those cool sounds. Come here, little guy. Look at those feet. He's too... Oh, I'm sorry. Flip him over, okay. I got scared there for a minute. This is a cicada. Cicada? Cicada? Cicada, yeah. How awesome is he? Look at him. He just wants to say hi. Don't fall. Look at his little fatness. Whoa! Where you going? He's so cool. He's just hanging around. Trying to find somewhere to do something. I don't know. Get into a cocoon or something. It's definitely a cool cicada. Look at that. He's moseying on along. They can't fly very well, but the wings are mainly for the music that they make. Let's see what he wants to do. He just wants to hang around now. Okay, I think I'll let him be. He's gonna figure out where he wants to go next. He has quite a cool face. Those wings. Very cool, very cool. There it is. The Cicada from Kenosha, Wisconsin, Labor Day, September 2011. And this is Pam Zamora signing. I hope you like my video.